All right, guys. I know that most people are not in a position to refer anybody or to recruit, okay, into any platform, but they want to make money. And PopMax is giving you that platform, that opportunity for you to earn with zero referral. Okay. I am a team leader. I have my team. I build my team. So I earn some extra commission, okay, or bonuses or rewards for bringing in people on board. Now, some of those people that are in my team, okay, some of my team members, they do not recruit, they do not refer, but they will earn their daily 1%, whether they refer or not. So this is the reason why I am recording this video again. Some people are messaging me privately asking if they can earn in PopMax without referral. And I just want to let you know that recruiting or referring people is 100% optional in PopMax. You do not have to refer anybody to earn your daily 1%. Okay? And I will give you very quick example of how that works and show you evidence of people that are actually receiving their daily 1% without referring anybody at all. Okay, so I am quickly going to show you that just now. Yesterday, I did a video of fresh deposit. Those 3 members that deposited a total of 3.1k, they do not refer anybody. They don't even know how to refer anybody. They don't have anybody to refer, but they are interested in earning passive income. So they did a deposit yesterday. Now, I will show you that screenshot later on. But for today, look at this screenshot. Okay. This member is earning $72 per day. And you will see where it says team earnings. It's 0. It's not referring anybody. But he is earning $72 every single day because he staked good amount of money and is earning 1% from that. So far, he has earned $950. Okay, and this money is ready for him to withdraw because it is on the blockchain, right? So when a platform is on the blockchain, decentralized wallet is what is attached to that blockchain. And because of that connection between these two entities, they are able to withdraw their money without any middleman. And the profit or their total earning, which they are going to be able to withdraw instantly, will be processed immediately without having to worry about anything. So this is one of them. Okay, and you can see there is nothing here like referral or team earnings. Everything is 0. Referral is 0. Team earning is 0. Yet he is still receiving $72 per day. Okay, so it all depends on how much you put in. Now in PopMax, the minimum to start is $100, but we also advise you to have extra $10 for BNB transaction fee. So altogether, you should be getting ready with your $110 to get started in this PopMax. Without referring anybody, you will be earning your money. However, the more money you put into PopMax for staking, the more money you will earn. This guy that is earning $72 per day, he did not put the minimum. Okay, he has deposited more than the minimum. That is why he is receiving $92 per day without referring anybody. Let me take a second screenshot here and explain to you again. This guy deposited and staked over 7.4k, right? in PopMax. And as you can see, there is no referral. It's not building anything. Yeah, team performance 0, team members 0, yet it deposited $7,425 and is going to be earning 1% out of this $7,425 every single day. Okay, so please guys, you do not have to refer to make money in PopMax. I just want to make that very, very clear to everybody, right? So this is another member. There are a lot of them. I have over 60 people in PopMax right now. Okay, I can't show you all their screenshots, but these are the people that I can show you at the moment, because if I decided to get a screenshot of everybody, then we are going to stay here for a long time. But I just want to prove to you that people are earning money without referring. This is another guy that is earning $61 per day. Every single day, he is earning $61 with 0 team building. As you can see, 0 referral. Okay, so guys, you do not have to refer to earn money in PopMax. I just want to let you know, because I know some people are scared that, okay, if I don't refer, I don't make any money. That is not true. You will make money in PopMax without referral. You will make even more money when you decided to introduce PopMax to people, right? So this is the screenshot that I used in my video yesterday. These 3 guys, they just deposited fresh money into PopMax without referral, without team building. You can see that the team performance here is 0. Yeah, they are not building any team, but they are going to be earning 1% out of this money they have deposited. Obviously, this guy with $2,516 deposit is going to be earning more than these 2 people, because these 2 people deposited less than what he has deposited. Okay, for example, the second person here deposited just the minimum, which is $100. I have already explained that to join PopMax, you will need $100 and of course extra $10 for BNB for gas or transaction fee. Then the third guy on this list, right, deposited $511. This guy, all of them, 3 of them, will be receiving 1% on each of these deposits they've made. Okay, 1% daily. They do not have to refer. They are not referring. Okay, so that is the purpose of this video. You do not have to refer anybody to earn your 1% daily. As long as you follow the instructions I have given in the referral link below, you will see all the instructions I have written. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Follow all the instructions. Get yourself registered with minimum of $100. Okay, if you want to test it with $100, you can start with that. And when you see the performance, you can add more money on top of your $100. Okay, another question people are asking is it possible for them to add more money while they are staking already? I said yes, it is possible for you to add more money anytime you want. You are free to add more money on top of what you have already, and everything will be added together and you will continue to earn your 1% on a daily basis. Okay, and the good thing about PopMax is you will get your deposit back at the end of each contract. Okay, so let me show you this. For anybody that is going to choose this 360 days contract, you will earn 1%. When this 360 days elapses, PopMax will give you back your original deposit. Okay, so for example, these guys that have deposited a lot of money into this platform, they are going to get their money back. Okay, these guys, they are going to get their money back everybody here that is not referring. Whether you are referring or not, you will get your capital back at the end of your 360 days contract. So I have recommended people to choose the 360 days contract because this is where you earn more, okay, when you stake in this platform. They have the option for you to choose the 10 days and you will earn 0.4%. They have the option for you to choose the 30 days and you will earn 0.5%. They have the option for you to choose 90 days, you will earn 0.6%. And of course, the option for 180 days, where 0.8% is earned on a daily basis. So, which one would you prefer? Would you prefer to earn less or would you prefer to earn more? Okay, if I were you, I would choose 360 days and earn 1% daily on my $100 or $100 and above that I'm going to put into this platform. Okay, so no referral is needed for you to earn this 1%, but when you do refer, you will earn extra commission. Okay, referral is optional, it's not mandatory. Okay, what is mandatory is your 1% daily. That is mandatory. You must get your 1% daily as long as you have selected 360 days contract to get started. Okay, so the link to get started is below this video description. I have also recorded a video showing you how to register. So if you watch the video and then follow all the steps in that video, you will be able to register without consulting me. If you are not that type of person that like to watch videos, I have also written down text instructions. Follow the text instructions below this video description. You will be able to register correctly. However, if you struggle to register, contact me on my messenger, contact me on my WhatsApp, contact me on my Telegram. I will be able to help you, get you registered, and you begin to earn 1% on a daily basis. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in my team.